Hello viewers. In this video series, I am going to create short videos on the subject, Cryptography and System Security, on a weekly basis. This video series will consist of a weekly summary of all the lectures, which were conducted in that respective week on the same subject. This will not only keep you updated about the topics being discussed in the week but also help you prepare the topics from a revision point of view. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with week 1 of Cryptography and System Security.
So in this week, we have studied the following topics. 1. Goals of security. 2. Difference between vulnerability, threat and control. So, let's understand what are the 3 goals of security. We will start with confidentiality. Confidentiality can be defined as preserving authorized restrictions on information access and disclosure, including means for protecting personal privacy and proprietary information. A loss of confidentiality is the unauthorized disclosure of information. Let us illustrate the definition as follows. A person, process, or program is, or is not, authorized to access a data item in a particular way. We call the person, process, or program a subject. The data item an object. The kind of access, such as read, write, or execute, an access mode. And the authorization, a policy. Let's now move on to integrity. Integrity could be defined as guarding against improper information modification, or destruction, including ensuring information non-repudiation and authenticity. A loss of integrity is the unauthorized modification or destruction of information. Let's now move our focus to availability. Availability could be defined as the process of ensuring timely and reliable access to and use of information. A loss of availability is the disruption of access to or use of information or an information system. Let us now understand the threats to these 3 goals of security. Threats to confidentiality can be termed as interception or sniffing. Threats to integrity can be termed as fabrication or modification. Threats to availability can be termed as interruption. Now, we will understand the basic difference between the 3 terms. Vulnerability, threat, and control. Vulnerability can be defined as a weakness in the system, for example, in procedures design or implementation, that might be exploited to cause loss or harm. For instance, a particular system may be vulnerable to unauthorized data manipulation, because the system does not verify a user's identity before allowing data access. Threat can be defined as a set of circumstances that has the potential to cause loss or harm. We can think of a relationship between the 3 terms as follows. Controls prevent threats from exercising vulnerabilities. Let us understand the 3 terms with the help of an illustration. Here, a wall is holding the water back. The water to the left of the wall is a threat to the man on the right of the wall. The water could rise, overflowing onto the man, or it could stay beneath the height of the wall, causing the wall to collapse. So the threat of harm is the potential for the man to get wet, get hurt, or be drowned. For now, the wall is intact, so the threat to the man is unrealized. However, we can see a small crack in the wall, a vulnerability that threatens the man's security. If the water rises to or beyond the level of the crack, it will exploit the vulnerability and harm the man. Control refers to the means by which we plug those cracks or repair the wall. I hope now you got an understanding of these 3 definitions. So, these were the topics which we had studied this week. If you want to see the complete lecture videos, do click the links in the description section or the video cards above. If you like the content of my channel, don't forget to subscribe to it and share it with your friends. For more such videos, stay tuned and press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you, have a great day, keep learning.